To turn to West Nile virus. And you mentioned discovered in 1937, first detected in the United States 1999. It's found today in every county in Wyoming. Per capita, Wyoming is among the highest number of cases of West Nile virus in the United States. And I was just visiting with Senator Kramer about a friend that I served in the Wyoming State Senate with, and you were working for the department at the time, State Senator Bob Peck. Bob Peck, multi-award-winning American politician, journalist, editor, publisher, and Wyoming State Senator. Published newspapers around the state, the Riverton Rangers and the Family. And then it talks about his death, the cause of death on March 6, 2007, while I was still in the state Senate, West Nile virus. So one of our state senators felled by West Nile virus. Could you talk a bit about the invasive species, how they become not just an environmental or an economic threat, but also a public health threat?
Well, and you know, Wyoming's a small state, and I think if you talk to anyone in our state, they know someone who's been impacted by West Nile virus. I know a couple people myself who they had the virus back, I think, somewhere around maybe 2005, 6, and they still have neurological effects from that virus. So it's not something that just goes away overnight, and certainly, you know, there are deaths that lead to it. We're a little more unique in Wyoming as we don't have Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, which carry the Zika virus. We just deal with the Culex tarsalis mosquito. And so it's the program we run in our state, the Culex tarsalis is a later summer species. So we're able to, through monitoring on the local level, determine when Culex tarsalis is mostly prevalent and when the potential for West Nile virus is there. So we really try to target that species based on when it's going to be most active. But it's always a difficult battle because public perception on mosquito control programs is, you know, there's variation. When you see an airplane, for instance, flying over a municipality, some people just don't like that. In Wyoming, we do a lot of that with larviciding, though. So it's a matter of, I think, with the West Nile virus programs, or mosquito programs, you know, a lot of education still needs to be done in the public.
Thank you, Mr. Frenel.